The question's about how to access the Slideshare account with or without a LinkedIn account. I'm going to show you what you can do in this video, but before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all of this content for you. So there was a day where Slideshare was right here, because Slideshare back in 2012 up until 2020 was a LinkedIn product. It is now no longer a LinkedIn product. LinkedIn in 2020 sold Slideshare to Scribd. So how do we get access to our Slideshare account? Let me show you your options. So I go to Slideshare. Now I can log in or I can sign up. Now, if I log in, it's going to give me an option to continue with my Scribd login, log in with my LinkedIn account, or log in with my Facebook account. And by the way, anytime you're going to log in with another account to a third product like Slideshare, I recommend you be logged into Scribd or logged into LinkedIn or logged into Facebook if you have any one of those connected to your, in this case, Slideshare account. Makes it way easier to be logged in to the associated account. When you go click on that, it'll take you right in as long, again, as that account is associated. However, you don't need to use your Scribd, LinkedIn, or Facebook account. You can continue with email. So I could set up an account with my email and I can connect to Scribd account, and in this case, Slideshare, with my name, my email address, and a password associated with the account, and it'll get me right into it again without having to be using your logged in or your Facebook accounts. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.